Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a makeup challenge, so that's basically why I'm super barefaced. You can see a pimple right here, and also my right eye is super weird. It's really red. I have no idea why. This is basically my everyday makeup routine, which usually takes around 20 to 30 minutes depending on what I'm feeling that day, but I'm gonna attempt to do it in just 10 minutes. I am so ready for this. I have all of my products right over here, and I also have my timer. Before we get into this, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like, and comment on this video, and of course to join my giveaway. You know, my lovelies, I actually debated a bit if I should practice before doing this video, but I thought it would be funnier if I just found out on this video if this is something I can do or not. So yeah, let's get started. Let me just prepare my hair for this challenge. That's the best I can do. I have 10 minutes on the clock, so I'm gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, what's first? Okay, so I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm just gonna put it on my T-zone. I normally don't use foundation. Oh my gosh, I'm running out. I normally don't use foundation for every day, so I just use concealer, and I basically just put it, well, it looks neater than this, but I basically just put it on my T-zone and whatever I want to cover up. So I basically just use it as foundation, but I concentrate it on my T-zone. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. But I really have to cover up this pimple because I hate it so much. It's so big. There's also one over here. I don't know why these pimples are coming up now. I'm so annoyed. So I'm just gonna take my brush. Wow, it looks so good right now. So I'm just gonna take my brush and just, you know, spread everything out. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how this looks like. This is actually the first makeup tutorial I am doing that I'm not gonna edit from start to finish. I don't know why I'm talking so much. I feel like that's gonna take away from my time, but I can't help it. That's just what I do. Alright, so I feel like I'm spreading it out well-ish. It looks okay. Wow, I'm kind of stressed. I don't know why I'm stressed. This should be stressful for me since I do this every day. But I guess I don't know, I just really take my time when I do this. I should really stop talking. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my Vice foundation, but I'm gonna use it as a powder and it won't open. Come on. Oh, I should have opened this a while ago when I set all the products together. Okay, so I think the foundation, I think the concealer's okay. So I usually start with my under eyes. There we go. Because I like setting them first, and then I go down here. Wow, I think I need more concealer, but you know what? It's fine. This powder actually has like a tiny bit of coverage, so I guess that's okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna spread it out more. So as you guys, I don't know if you guys notice because I'm doing this really fast, I concentrate most of the product on my T-zone, and then I just spread it out to the other parts of my face. I don't know, that's just what's been effective for me. Yeah, like here, I take the powder from my under eyes and then I drag it down towards the rest of my face. So that's basically my base. Oh my gosh, I have 7 minutes left. What is next? Oh, okay. Oh, this is the one that takes super long. My eyebrows. So I'm just gonna spoolie this up a bit. And my eyebrows take forever because there's, as you guys can see, my brows look pretty bad. So I'm just gonna use this what is this? This BH Pro Studio Shade and Define Duo Brow Pencil, but I never use the other side of this. I just use the bigger side. So I'm just gonna use this, I always do my left side first because that's where I have 2 scars. So I like to cover up my scars first before doing anything else. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my scars are right there. So I just do this lightly. I usually go overboard actually. My brows end up really dark most of the time. Since I'm rushing right now, I don't think it's gonna happen. Oh, and this is also a hard part for me. I have to even this brow out to the other side, so let's see. Okay, I think this looks a bit even. Hopefully it's even. I don't know. And I hope I don't end up looking really bad. That would really suck. Okay. Okay, this is... The brows look even. A little bit. Wait a second. Okay. There we go. And I really do take time on my brows. I think half of my time goes to my eyebrows. Okay, I think this is okay. So I'm just gonna spoolie that just to make it look a bit better. I'm just gonna fix this one up a bit. Just make it so that look okay. Yeah, you know what? This is fine. I'm actually not even closing any of my products anymore. So now I'm gonna do bronzer. So I'm gonna use this one from GIOVI. This is the Sun Glow Shimmer Bronzer. Yeah, so this is the GIOVI Sun Glow. I don't know why I repeated that. Anyway, so I'm just gonna bronze up my cheeks. There we go. And I also like to take it here on my chin because it's just so hit my brush. It's just super sharp, so I'm trying to soften it. All right, this one looks pretty good. And now I'm gonna put it all over my, what is this? My forehead. My forehead. Why don't I know what things are called when I'm super stressed right now? All right, so I'm just gonna take it on my temple. I think temple's the right term. And I just I love bronzing this part of my face. It just really takes it all in. It just makes it more defined, which I think is really great. And then this is I feel like I put too much. So I'm just gonna take my powder brush and blend it out of it. Yeah, okay, this one's starting to look a bit better. And you know what, my baby hair, they're just everywhere. Even when I wear a headband, it's just there, so I'm just not gonna bother. But yes, this is basically it. I'm just gonna blend everything together. Okay, yeah, this looks pretty good. Now I have to do my nose. I think I can do my nose with this. So I'm also gonna take, is this enough? Wait a second. I'm just gonna do my nose with the same bronzer. Oh my god, I have 3 minutes left? This is crazy. Why did I think I could do this? Okay, so there we go. Doing my nose, and I also use whatever I use to contour on my eyes. So there we go. So you can use this on my, oh my gosh, 3 minutes. What can I do in 3 minutes? No, actually, I think I'm almost done. Ish. Not sure. Alright, you know what? Just ignore everything I'm saying right now. I'm super not making sense because I'm just so focused on doing this in 10 minutes. Yeah, so I'm just making my nose look better. I do this all the time. So if you guys think my nose is real, it's not. I just contour it a lot. And then I take my powder brush and I just blend everything together. Here we go. There we go. I hope I blended this out. I also take it here on my, whatever I put on my eyes, I just blend out the edges with the same powder brush. I know, this is not good. You should use an actual eyeshadow brush, but this is just what I do for every day because I don't want to bring so many brushes with me. There we go. Okay, what's next? What's next? Oh, okay. Oh, this is a challenge. I need to do my blush. So I'm gonna take, what am I gonna take? Yeah, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on my hand. I'm gonna take it with this thing, and then I'm just gonna paint it on over here. Oh my gosh, that was too much. You know what? I'm just gonna do this. Oh, it's actually working out. The blush looks fine. Oh my gosh, I have 2 minutes left. Well, that wasn't bad. I just had 3 minutes a while ago, so this is pretty good. Oh my gosh, this looks super messy. I don't know anymore. I'm just gonna laugh at myself, honestly. There we go. Okay, this blush doesn't look that bad. I'm just gonna brush it more. Actually, I like doing the drunk blush effect. So I'm just gonna rub the brush more here on my hand just to dry up the blush a bit. Then I'm gonna put some right there. Yeah, I love doing this, the drunk blush effect, but I tend to do it. Okay, yeah, I think that's too much. But you know what? Yeah, there we go. And my hand always ends up looking like this. It's really bad. But I can just wash my hand later anyway. Alright, and now I'm gonna put this on my lip. Yes, my lip. And this always gets all over my teeth. So I'm really not the best user of this product. Oh wow, my teeth look really bad right now. You know what? I love it. This one's super moisturizing, so I really like it. Okay. Oh, I have less than a minute left. What do I have left to do? Oh no, I have to highlight. I know. I can't not highlight. This is a really important step, okay? Never not highlight. What? Don't ever leave the house without highlight. Okay, so I'm just gonna do these dots. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. Okay, this is looking good. It's looking good. So I'll also put here on my lid just so it shines. And then, I forgot the other side. So I'm just gonna do this side. After this, I still have to do gloss. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. How many minutes do I have left? I feel like this dried down too early for my life. Oh my gosh, I have 12 seconds. You know what? I'll put it on my nose, put it on my pupils as well. I need to do my lip gloss, okay? It's important. It's an important step. Oh my god. Okay, 10 minutes. Oh my god, you guys, I don't know what's happening. Okay, I have to. Time's up. Yes, thank you phone for timing me. Wow. Okay, my lovelies, so this is basically the look I created in just 10 minutes. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. Do you like it? Does it suck? I don't know. I still find this pretty funny because when I panic, everything just goes out the windows. I'm not even sure if I told you guys all the products, or I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna list down all of the products I used in the description box below if you guys are curious. Let's take a closer look at what happened over here. I'm looking at my face right now and I think I need a little bit more coverage for my concealer, but you know what? That was really hard because I basically finished it. Look at that. I have no more product left, so that was a mistake. I should have checked how much product I had. I mean, I think everything else looks pretty okay. I could have blended out my highlighter more, but that's basically it. My lips look okay. I think this is passable, right? I mean, for 10 minutes, and you guys saw me do it in 10 minutes. I'm not even gonna edit that video. Wow, this was I can't even talk anymore. This was so stressful. I've never done anything like this before. I don't think I do well under stress. This just looks a bit messy to me. I wish I could have done better. My table looks super messy. Everything's just scattered, everything's open, something's spilling. It's just really crazy. But you know what? This challenge was actually super fun, and I want to do more challenges, so let me know what challenges you guys want me to do. Just leave it in the comments down below. I actually want to do more fun stuff like this. That is it for this video. I have to clean up my mess over here, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah.